Hey, it's Ashley Marie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back again doing another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing GlossyBox. GlossyBox is a monthly subscription that sends you a variety of beauty and skincare products. I've only received one other box from them last month, but it's a pretty affordable subscription, only costing under $20 a month. Honestly, I can't remember the price. I'm sorry. I appreciate you taking the time to come to my page and check it out. Just a little bit about myself. I'm pretty much a beauty box subscription addict. I subscribe to multiple beauty boxes: FabFitFun, CauseBox, Birchbox, Ipsy. Too many to explain. It's turned into a problem. I just really love getting a box of mysteries, you know. The box could have a variety of products that I have never tried, never will buy, can't afford, whatever the case. And this gives me an opportunity to test out products, see how well I like them, and if I want to purchase them in the future, I at least know what I'm looking for, what I like. So that's always nice. So I like the whole idea behind the beauty box subscription. And like I said, it's some fun in there. It's definitely releasing some dopamine. It's definitely getting some, you know, the pleasure center going, feeling good. So, you know, I haven't gotten to a point yet in my subscription boxes where I'm going to start canceling them, but there is one particular subscription box that I may consider canceling. That is Sephora. You never get any full-size products, and you get these tiny little samples, and I mean, while it's only $10, still you can pay under 20, a little more than 10, and get full-size products. And I'm gonna let this September come, and if I don't like September, then yeah, goodbye Sephora Play. I'm not gonna bore you with any more chitty chat, so I'll just jump into the unboxing. So usually when you open it, they typically give you these, you know, cards, $50 gift card on your first 2 deliveries of what is this? HelloFresh. Enjoy home cooked meal and conquer 2009 and, or excuse me, 2009, Lord, 2019 in 3 easy steps. I have received these in a few different subscription boxes, and I've not used them at all. And then next we have a special gift, a wine voucher, but I don't drink anymore, so I might just pass this along to someone. But it looks like it's a subscription box for the Lushes, the Winos, the Winers, so not for me. So this is the GlossyBox. It is always in the cutest packaging. Last month's packaging was so cute. Oh my goodness, I kept it. These type of boxes, they're made, you know, really sturdy, and you have a hard time, you know, getting rid of them. So a lot of times I've found myself keeping, well, you know what? Actually, I did. I received 2 Glossy. So this is my 3rd subscription. So when you open it, looks like that. It smells so good. It must be some perfume in there. Have a reason for the season. You better get ready for some holiday bliss, because what's coming in store is too good to miss. Our GlossyBox Advent calendar is coming in town. We have a long list of festive treats for you: makeup, product, tools, skincare. We're super giddy about our holiday bash, so stay tuned for a GlossyBox event that'll be here in a flash. They always have a cute little sticker on there. Alright, so first things first, we have AVANT Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Eclat. That's what's in there. I'm not even going to slaughter any more of these words like that. So it is a perfecting collagen primer. Nice. I'm excited. I have primers, but the ones that I have been the bigger premium size samples. So this is a little bit bigger. Okay, we'll give it a shot. Next thing we have is the Grow Gorgeous R&R Rescue and Repair Conditioner for damaged hair. Yes, I need that because, baby, yeah. And then the rest is in another language. Use as a part of your rescue and repair routine to help repair and fortify, making hair nourished, hydrated, and strong. Work through the lengths and ends of your hair and leave in for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. So it's a conditioner, guys. So I'm assuming if I have a conditioner in here, then I have a shampoo. Voila. It's a shampoo. Next thing we have is, EYEKO Fat Liquid Eyeliner in Black. Dramatic Longwear Carbon Black. So that's it there. Sorry, I had it turned around backwards. I apologize. And let's see what this is about. Okay. Ooh, it's real chunky. I actually needed a new liquid eyeliner. I almost want to put it on now because the one I was using was starting to dry out. Perfect. Look at the universe just sending me stuff that I wanted. It's not as dark as I'd like it to be, but I'm sure with a few coats I can make it work. So yeah, cool. Let's move on. I have TOCCA MONTAUK Salt Air Cucumber. So this looks like a perfume. Salt Air Cucumber, retreat to where the sound meets the sea. Fresh salt air and seagrass abound in this natural and unspoiled haven. Individually hand poured. Fancy. Oh, I thought it was a perfume, but no, it's a candle. A tiny little candle. That's cute. A tiny little candle. I don't know why I thought it was one of those, not small, but those semi-size, premium-size perfume samples. It smells good. It smells really fresh. It smells like how it's described, for sure. I like that. You get about one good burn, one good day of this, and then you're out. So, but hey, that's what it's for. They send you, premium samples so that if you love it, you take it upon yourself to go out and purchase it yourself. Last thing I have in the GlossyBox is Contour Cosmetics. I've never heard of that brand. It's a lipstick, and that's how it looks. So that's it. I've been getting a lot of these kind of peachy, rosy nudes from subscription boxes lately. It's either that or something drastic like pink, hot pink. But this is cool. This is almost like the natural color of my lips. So when I put it on, it's more like a just more filling, more glossy look, glossier look than my normal lips. I guess I'll try, I'll take this off and I'll try it on. I probably could have kept that on now that I think about it because it was almost the same color, but I really wanted to see how it looks, not over my lips, just lipstick, so I can get an actual real life idea of it. Swatches really well. Oh my goodness, I can't find the camera. There it is. Very pigmented, kind of thin formula, not real thick and sticky. Alright, so let's try it on. Oh my goodness, it looks like what I just took. Looks like what I just took off my lips. I like it. I approve. And they all seem to be, all with the exception of 2 of them, seem to be premium samples. And then looks like I have 2 full products. I have a full lip gloss, or excuse me, lipstick, and a liquid eyeliner. So the AVANT Prestige Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer is retail value $103. Wow. Oh wow. So basically this is not a sample. Well, This is the featured size is 30 milliliters and the featured value is $103. Ouch. It better be good, I know that. Rescue and Repair conditioner and shampoo is retailed at $18. Now it doesn't say each, so I'm just going to assume that both of these together comes to $18. The Contour Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in Juju. I should have mentioned that, I apologize. The liquid lipstick is in Juju and it is a matte. And this full-size product value is $29. The EYEKO liquid eyeliner in black, full size, is a value of $22. And apparently my mystery gift in this subscription, because they did vary, my mystery gift is the candle. And obviously there is no retail value on that. I guess not obviously, but they're not showing any retail value on what that might be. So I added that up and the retail value of that is $172. Okay. Wow. And that's not including the candle, the mystery gift. So very good value. But a lot of times, a lot of these, you know, these values are inflated. So it could be technically the retail value, but a lot of times resellers sell them at a lower rate. Yeah, so that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a newbie. I'm new to YouTube, and obviously I have a lot to learn. I'm getting there. I'm taking all the advice that I can get from people close to me, and I'm out there networking, and I'm getting the hang of it. So yeah, I appreciate you getting this far into the video and seeing this, and I just want to thank you so much, and until we meet again.